Hi, James.
Hiya.
Hi.
I'm pretty drunk.
Tell us what you're going to do.
I'm gonna just have one of the bird's eye chilies. Can you see that on that lens? Is it readable?
Yeah.
On the Asda hotness scale.
You can see, yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is, yeah.
On the Asda hotness scale, it rates 3 chilies. They're pretty hot. They are not the hottest. The Scotch bonnets are quite a lot hotter than these, I think.
Yeah.
But these are pretty hot. But I'm going to eat this one here. I've got a glass of milk. You see the milk?
Yeah.
I'm not just going to... What a lot of people do is just bite it and swallow it and think that's, you know, that's how you eat a chili. No.
That's not okay.
That's not okay. You got to bite it and chew it. Are you ready?
I would discourage you strongly from doing it, but as you're that way inclined, I cannot stop you, I suppose.
The thing is, I really like the taste. I hate the hotness. I hate how hot these things are. But yeah, okay. Okay?
Yep.
That's really hot.
You're so silly.
That's really hot.
Oh no. Oh my god. Milk.
No. That's really hot.
I can see you. Are you crying?
Yeah,
you are. Boy, there you are. I can see the tear coming down your eye.
Having a mild heart attack.
Milk now, maybe. Oh my god, what are you doing to me?
I gotta cook this now. This thing. As I'm swirling it around my mouth, it's like...
Oh my god.
It's like instant... It's like instant salvation. But as soon as I swallow it... Sorry.
Oh my god.
This is really f***ing bad.
I know. Why? Why did you do this?
I can't bear my mouth to be without milk in it. This right now is f***ing killing me.
Oh my god.
Got milk in it. It's fine. As soon as I swallow it.
Oh my god, sweetie, I'm sorry I'm laughing. I can't stop laughing.
Right, it's fine.
It's so funny. What else can we use as a bicarbonate of soda?
Because you run out of milk now. You run out of milk.
Water's not gonna help, obviously.
Maybe some water. I don't give a f***. This is unbearable. This is literally unbearable. I can't do this anymore. That's good. Yeah, this is quite good actually, yeah. So the long and short of it is,
the moral of that is,
even if, oh sorry, hang on. The long and short is,
chewing gum maybe.
me. Jesus Christ. Oh, get out. Jesus.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
How about we try?
The long and short of it is, it's a bad idea.
Do we need alkaline? We need alkaline? Is that what we need?
You fucking tonguerectomy. Don't fucking eat these, because
How about, should we just get some bicarbonate of soda?
I don't know if I'm the biggest wimp in the world, but they're really seriously really hot.
Shall we get some, yeah, what kind, what's gonna, alkaline, yeah? Is that what you need?
Nothing. 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 Just water, I think, actually. It's starting to actually go now. Instantly, it's starting to go. Yeah. Was it that?
Well, you pretty much tried all of it, so how about, how about pineapple?
My mouth is salivating.
Pineapple?
My mouth is like the Niagara Falls. It's like, fuck it, let's have a pineapple, see if that helps.
Let's give you a, pick it up with your fingers, or I can give you a...
Here we go, here we go. It's nice now. Tastes like pineapple.
It wasn't nice just about 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, it's good. Tastes like pineapple. Yeah, it's fine.